Hi, everyone. I'm Elsa from INNOSS Tech Lab. Today, I'd like to take you on a magical journey into the world of Forex trading, especially for those of you who have never ventured into this field before. Firstly, what is Forex trading? In simple terms, Forex trading involves the buying and selling of different countries' currencies. But how do we ensure the accuracy and timeliness of these transactions? The answer lies in Forex EA. For those who are just starting out, think of Forex EA as your digital assistants. They not only execute trades automatically for you, but also analyze market dynamics to ensure you stay ahead of the curve. Now, let's imagine you're a newcomer, feeling bewildered, and lost in the complex world of trading. However, when you have a powerful Forex EA, just like the ones developed by us at INNOSS Tech Lab, you'll discover that trading is no longer as daunting and intricate as it may seem. Our EA is more than just a trading tool. It can teach you how to understand the market, spot opportunities, and even avoid potential risks. It's not just about automated buying and selling. It's an intelligent trading partner that guides you from scratch, step by step, exploring the endless possibilities of trading. On this trading journey, you'll realize that an EA is not just a tool. It's your teacher and your companion, accompanying you through the ups and downs of each trade. In conclusion, whether you're a trading novice or a seasoned player, our EA at INNOSS Tech Lab will be your best choice. Let's embark on this trading journey from scratch together.